Struggling to come up with real estate content ideas that actually bring in leads? You're not alone. With so much going on, it's easy to fall back on generic posts just to keep your profile active. But that could be a big mistake. Let's break down 5 creative content ideas that will help turn your social media followers into leads. Let's get started. First up, property walkthroughs. Video tours are a perfect way to give your audience a real sense of what a property has to offer. Showcasing a home through virtual tours on platforms like Instagram and YouTube helps your viewers imagine themselves living in the space. And the best part? It builds trust. Make sure to use your tripod for steady shots, take advantage of natural daylight, and add background music or narrations to make the experience more immersive. Next up, don't underestimate the power of new listing posts. Announcing new properties is a must to catch people's attention. Make sure your description is clear and highlights key features like the number of bedrooms, location, or unique perks like a backyard or garage. Adding a call to action and a link to a landing page will increase your chances of turning casual viewers into serious leads. Now let's talk about monthly recaps. Sharing a roundup of your recent deals or achievements helps to build your credibility. It's an excellent way to boost your clients' brands and show off their success, which in turn builds trust and attracts more potential buyers. Coming in next, use social media to create buzz around your open houses. Posting event details along with high-quality videos or photos can generate excitement and increase foot traffic. Here's a pro tip. Build anticipation by posting sneak peeks or countdowns leading up to the open house. Finally, always offer value. Share tips and best practices for potential buyers. From home buying advice to mortgage tips, creating content that educates your audience will keep them coming back for more. This can be done through short informative TikToks or in-depth YouTube videos, and the key is to provide actionable insights that make your audience lives easier. And if you need help streamlining your content creation, try Vista Social. It's the perfect tool for managing your social media strategy, from scheduling posts to tracking performance. You can even create stunning content directly within the platform using its Canva integration. Make sure to check out our next video where we will reveal the top 5 social media tools for Realtors that will help you take your online presence to the next level. You won't want to miss it. Alright folks, stay social and we'll see you in our next video.